afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew. Not a day goes by without you on my mind. You couldn't go on together. You said nothing lasts forever, though you can't deny. Hold it all inside. No, you can trust me. Just close your eyes, knowing that I'm around. I'll be around. Yeah. You're not scared of love, just scared of love. Alright, alright, enough. Just tell me if you want my love or not, or not. 'Cause I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, yeah. So I'm gonna let you go.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really try to pretend Sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall, sometimes you fall.
Guys, I'm so exhausted. Yo, it's been a while since I woke up. So tomorrow morning, kita tsoa ko batla a steamer. Ke kono steamer these things. They are a bit creased, not even a bit. They are so creased. So tomorrow morning, kita tsoa ko nyaka a steamer. Then I feel later but for now I'm so tired, guys. And this, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Shein order is finally here. We can finally get this Christmas photo shoot done. Let me open this and then I'll show you guys what I got. So this year for the I didn't say it's not yours. So this year we are doing red for the first outfit because last year we did black, so it's going to be red for this year. And for the pajamas, they are going to be green because last year for pajamas we did red. So yeah, guys, let me open this. Hi guys, I quickly want to show you what I got from Shein. Also I realized that I didn't open this vlog properly, but I got this dress for my daughter, for Bahumi. It's for Bahumi. As I've said, guys, we are doing red this year for the first part of the photo shoot. And I also got her some red cups, but I get the feel, man. I get the feeling they are too red. This red, I don't like it. I don't like it this red. It's too much out there, man. Yeah, I drop the pampers and Nadia Perica her graduation day. It's a gold because also her dress has a gold bow here, so she will use those shoes. And this one is for her sister. It's long. I get to look because I don't have the actual photos of the clothes. It's nice. It's long. Yamufita. It looks good on her. Naga itegela because Nike feel like Shein when it comes to heavy women. Like in no or something, the quality just goes down for me because last year when we were going to do our photo shoot, I bought a black dress. Hey Fikamo, it was giving something, I guess I right there. So these are the pajamas, these are the PJs. This is for my daughter. This. What's okay? Kitty hair accessories, kitty bonyana. I thought maybe I will tie her hair. I'll make 2 bands. This maybe 1 because 2 the one I got too much, so I might use 1. And these are for my men. I already opened them because I feed it just so I can be sure. I also got myself these headbands for bed hair days. They come in a pack of 4. Bed hair days and gym. These are my daughter's PJ, the older one, and these are my PJs. And I also got myself some pouches, phone cases. This one is old. I don't know where's the other one. I bought 3 of them. I actually don't know where's the other one. I also got myself some earrings. I bought 2 neck pieces. This one I get woody guy, and I'm buying them for the second time. The last time I bought them, they like got lost to go Artebias. That time we went to Artebias to celebrate my daughter's birthday. They got lost there. I don't know how, guys. I didn't hang it properly to the other side, so it was just here not so long ago. Now oh, Ashon. Ashon, it's embroidered. Embroidery. It's customized my name. I customized my name. And this other one, it's a B for my daughter's names. I don't see the other pouches. The other one, yeah, Christmas. It has a Christmas deco behind it. And the other one has my daughter's names. I don't know where is it. And it is so gorgeous, that other one. Like, it's super, super gorgeous. I can tell it, guys. I'm actually going to look for it because it's actually in the package, but it's here, Yona. It's here. And then I know you're gonna scold me for this because the last time I know what I said about buying handbags. So I got myself this cutie. Guys, isn't she pretty? Guys, this is so gorgeous. This is like so gorgeous. It is so ladylike. Not something that I own, so I couldn't resist. No, it's not guys. This is so pretty. Italian. This, but I don't think I'm going to use it because Kerata, what it's giving when it's like this without those belts. I love it like this. So petite and gorgeous. And then I got myself this dress. from Shein. But I'm so annoyed, guys. They forgot to take out this thing. Now I have to go to Sportsin because Arna for Shein mon nothing. I have to go to Sportsin because keep part of the TFG group. Give a convince her, no guys, can make it regular, and then I get nearly sleep, but maybe I might produce the one on my phone. But I don't like this. Too much admin for me, guys. I get now when it's giving, you stole it. So this tag or go jet. That is part of the TFG exact. So I might go actually get like go exact or go because get white stuff for Savona. Go supposing over ma outing amanyana, you know. So I can go too much. So yeah, guys, that's everything that I've got. I guess I'll see you guys when we go to our photo shoot, which I don't know who Royanin because Kibuletele the guy, but I didn't make an appointment to set a date. But we spoke because next game this outfit matsoho, guys. There was no way I'm going to book a date, but my outfit hasn't arrived, so I had to like wait for the Shein order to come so that I can proceed with the appointment. So yeah, guys, that is all that I wanted to show you. I think I'm going to close off this vlog and open the new one tomorrow. I can say, but I'll see because it's a bit short, like very, very, very short. But I don't know. We'll see. But if I close it off, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. I love it. I appreciate it so much. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next one.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I'm needy, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling more than right in his care. So I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, and I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling right in his care. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy.